operationalized.
Education Minister Rakam Sangma, in response to a question from Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma about the College of Architecture and Urban Planning in Tura, informed the House that the civil works for the college have been completed. He further mentioned that the department has created 46 new positions for the establishment of the college. Despite some delays, Sangma assured that the work is now finished and the department is in the process of seeking approval from the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, before making the college operational.
The website opened once a year, that is on December and in the month of December only. So in the year of this year, in the December of 2025, we will apply all the formality for all the permission approval from the competent authority to run the process.